I am traveling on a secret mission. We are going to surprise Nick Baldwin for his birthday. Seth, do you have anything to add?
I brought my swimsuit. I'm excited.
For Detroit?
We're going to Detroit?
There he is. He's trying to avoid the camera, so I made him go do something. I've mentioned a couple times that we're here in Detroit to surprise Nick Baldwin, a friend of mine, soon to be ours, for his birthday. It's his 40th birthday. But I want to talk for a minute about Nick Baldwin. I met him through this real estate group that I'm a part of on Facebook that I talk about all the time. The last time I actually did one of these vlogs, it was because I was traveling for this group, but it's called Lab Coat Agents. And he has been an amazing resource, mentor, friend from that group. And it's kind of crazy how Facebook works and how Facebook groups work and how I made this friendship with somebody before I even had met him. I met him and his wife last June at the very first Lab Coats event, and they've become such good friends of ours. They're such good friends that we flew out to surprise him for his birthday. He's just an awesome resource. He cares a ton about the people that he's friends with, the people that he works with. He pours everything into what he does, and we just wanted to come out here and surprise him and let him know how much his friendship means to us, including my husband, who hasn't even met him yet. He better be ordering me the mocha back there. So anyway, that's what we're doing. And then tomorrow we're going to spend the day wandering the streets of Detroit.
You guys flew here?
This is why we had to go to the third floor.
Oh my god, Noelle. I wasn't crying. Did you miss all of those? No!
Lab Coat Agents. Look who's here. You pretend you're doing.
I showed up.
We're doing a mock podcast.
A mock podcast.
For all we know, the entire hotel is listening.
They could be.
We're here because yesterday was my 40th birthday.
Yes. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. What we wanted to talk about today was the power of networking, because Noelle is here in Detroit, and she's from Minnesota.
Minnesota.
And why is Noelle here? Well,
That's a good question.